Hey guys, in this episode, we're gonna talk about how I edit my images using my program DesignFrame, but we are also going to talk about pricing t-shirts because this program comes with a calculator that can help you find out the best price for your t-shirts. So this is the design. So let's begin with the tutorial. So let's refresh, and now we're gonna go to the background color remover and we're gonna upload the AI generated image. We're gonna find the file mockups, and I have many designs here, and this is the one. Now we're gonna increase the brightness because that is one of the things I like to do on metallic effect designs like this one. So I'm going to increase it a little bit, not too much but enough to give it more brightness, because sometimes AI generates a little more on the darker side. So now I'm going to increase the tolerance and then click remove background. But as you can see, it still has some darkness there. So I'm going to select the color picker and I'm going to select some of that color that needs to be removed completely. And now it is completely clean. So now I'm going to download this image as a PNG without any background. And now we're gonna go back to DesignFrame and I'm gonna upload a image of a t-shirt, black t-shirt here, because this design was made specifically for like darker backgrounds like black t-shirts, dark maroon, navy blue, any darker colors really. So now let's upload the image of the that we just removed the background, and it is the PNG without any uh, background anymore, of course. And we're gonna click on the image and we're gonna increase the size, but we're going to give this image a effect that it's I think that looks good, but I'm going to rotate this a little bit to this side so that way I get that gets the sensation that the image is actually centered with the t-shirt perfectly. So I think that's gonna be good. And now we're gonna do a small clone. We're gonna clone this image and we're gonna place this on the sleeve. By the way, these are just shortcuts. You can spin the images here with these buttons, but you can also spin the images by double clicking on the images. Just click on the blue knot and just with the mouse spin it like the angle that you want. And I'm gonna place it here, and now we have a image of this sample. I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna show it on social media that I have a new design. And now let me show you another cool feature that this system has, DesignFrame, which is a calculator for pricing t-shirt. So we're gonna go to the t-shirt calculator. So let's say that this you're gonna make this with DTF transfers. So let's say, depending on who your source is, if you buy it, if you have the machine, or if you buy it like outsource it online, let's say the transfer costs you $4. The garment costs, the t-shirt, if this is a low quality, they cost between $3 to $4. If it's a high quality t-shirt, it costs around $5 to $6. So let's say I'm gonna advertise this t-shirt on a high quality t-shirt, so I'm gonna do $5 for the garment. Now the press cost, this is if you're gonna heat press the DTF into the garment, you're gonna pay well, I pay myself $2 for every press. But if you can see, it has two designs, the big one and the small one on the sleeve. For the second press, I charge $1 for every press. So I'm gonna do $3. So two for the big one the first time and $1 for the second press. So that's $3. Additional fees, no, there's no additional fees. Calculate, and now this added all the numbers here, and it will multiply times 2. So this is my retail price. So I can charge between $24 to $25, which is what I really, or actually what I charge for this type of process. Now let's say that they want like a dozen of this type of t-shirts for a congregation, for like a Christian congregation. If they want, let's say, 50 t-shirts, you can do like the 70% or 60%, whatever you think is fair for this type of process. So you're still gonna make always, no matter how low you get here, you're still gonna make those $3 that you already secure. So this is why I love this formula, because you will always make money, no matter, even if you go as low as 3%, 20%, I mean. So let's say that you're gonna sell them for $18. So you're gonna do $18 for 50 shirts quantity, 50 t-shirts. And let's say you gotta ship them out, $35 for shipping. Tax here where I live is 7%. So we're gonna calculate, and the total before tax is $935. The tax is $65, and the total after shipping for 50 t-shirts with this process, it will be $1,045. So yeah, this is just an example how this calculator works. And again, if you are interested on getting this program, I will leave the link below. And if you don't want to pay the whole price for this program, you can also do a membership. And yeah, this is it for this episode. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. I will see you on the next episode. Thank you.